Should I buy or sell QQQ? The report for QQQ was first published on our website Thursday, December 29, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 29, 2022, our system ranks QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.782. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, "Stronger technical forecast for QQQ ETF price after Thursday trading." The QQQ ETF price gained 2.44% on the last trading day, Thursday, December 29, 2022, rising from $260.10 to $266.44. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.97% from a day low at $262.25 to a day high of $267.41. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -7% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares, and in total, 44 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $11.67 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $403.57, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 33.98%, or $137.13, below 52-week high, and 34.81%, or $142.27, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $408.71. The ETF lies in the lower part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $260.21 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 2.34% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -0.0534% and 13.61%. The 12-month trend indicates a -25.03% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -26.92% and -15.09%. This equals a price between $194.70 and $226.23 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $266.75 and $280.42. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some positive signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 28, 2022, and so far it has risen 2.44%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 80 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $265.68, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.15 between high and low, or 1.97%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.08%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.71. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $268.82. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $265.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $253.35, minus 4.91%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 1 day ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? Several of the signals/indicators are negative, and we believe that this will affect on the development for the next days and maybe possible weeks. However, over time, we think that today's level holds a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 30th, we expect QQQ to open down minus $1.07 and start trading at $265.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember